It's Cleve from Cleve's Insights coming at you once again, guys. Look at this now. This is crazy. She drugged me out on a painting date night, and this happened. Look at this. Just look at this. Do I look like Picasso to you? Absolutely not. Somehow, against all laws of physics and artistic talent, my wife convinced me that spending my Friday night with a paintbrush and a canvas was a fantastic idea. Spoiler alert, it actually was, but the journey to get there, absolutely chaos. Now look, if you've ever been dragged out of your comfort zone by your significant other, hit the subscribe button right now. Now it all started on a random Tuesday. My wife looks at me with that smile. You guys know the smile, the one that means I've already booked something and you can't say no. She says, "Babe, we're going to do couples painting night." Now, my artistic experience tops out at drawing stick figures. On a good day, the stick figures have hands. But hey, I love my wife, and she promises there would be drinks, so I put on my best shirt, grabbed the keys, and walked into the painting with the twist, ready for disaster. And we walked in, and the pressure was immediately on. There were couples there who looked like they secretly minor in fine arts. And then there was us. We got to our station, and I seen the master plan. We aren't just painting a flower or a tree, we're painting a matching set. She gets the legs and the red high heels, and I get the classy dress shoes. If I mess up my side, I ruin the living room decor forever. No pressure, right? Now check this out. The instructor starts yelling out directions like a drill sergeant, but with no enthusiasm, with more enthusiasm. Dip your brush in the blue, blending with the white. My wife is over there practically floating. She got the music flowing through her. Her brushstrokes are elegant. She's sipping a drink. She looks like a professional. Now me, I'm sweating, holding this paintbrush like a hammer. At one point, I looked at my cameras and my background looked less like a romantic evening sky and more like weather radar during a Category 5 hurricane. But the real test came when it was time to paint them actual shoes. White highlights on black leather? Do you know how hard it is to make a straight line when you've had a couple of drinks and your wife is laughing at you? I kept looking over at her canvas, and her red bows look incredible. Mine looked like two angry lobsters fighting on a blue background. I had to pivot fast. But here's the thing, about halfway through, something clicked. Maybe it was an atmosphere, maybe it was a friendly competition, or maybe I just finally figured out how to use water to thin out that paint. I stopped panicking and started actually having fun. I realized it doesn't have to be perfect. My wife and I were laughing, trading brushes, accidentally bumping elbows, making fun of each other's techniques, and honestly, that's when the paintings actually started looking good. Boom, look at that. Tell me we didn't actually crush it. When you put them side by side, it actually looks like a masterpiece. So what's the moral of the story, fellas? When your wife begs you to go on a painting date night, just go. You might start out sweating bullets, but you'll end up with an awesome memory. A great story and some brand new art for the wall you can actually be proud of.